Hi, my name is Elizabeth Meza. I just want to briefly let you guys know that I do have really bad dyslexia and it's very difficult for me to read, especially out loud. So if you hear me just going back on a couple words, it's really unintentional because I have read this several times and I've tried to make this voiceover several times as well. So please just bear with me. I'll get started. For this project, I observed push-up display behavior in garden lizards near my sister's home in Orlando, Florida. I wasn't able to identify the exact species, but they appear to be small green and brown lizards, possibly in the Anolis group. I recorded them around the patio and the nearby bushes. Even though I didn't capture a full push-up display in my video, I saw body movement, alert posture, and one lizard falling from a wall. These behaviors still relate to territorial signaling and lizard communication, which is what I focused on in my project. The push-up display is more of a movement where the lizard lifts and lowers its body, often in a quick repetitive way. In some species, the display is often used to send messages to other lizards without needing to fight. Crustacean push-up displays are usually triggered by something nearby, like sight or smell from another male. Hughes and Martin's 2004 found that Sciplurius lizards increased their push-up display when they smelled another male's scent. This shows the behavior is a response to outside cues. Development. According to Martin's 1994, younger lizards or females tend to display less often. Males display more, especially when trying to get a mate or protecting their territory. This makes sense for my project because I noticed one lizard standing still and alert while others moved around more casually. The push-up display helps a lizard avoid physical conflict. Martin's 1993 found that lizards used more push-up displays when rival males were nearby. It's a way to show strength without getting hurt. It also may help a lizard attract a mate by showing off physical condition. Evolutions. Martin's 1994 also captured different lizard species and found that in places where lots of plants or uneven ground, the displays become more dramatic. In species that have lost their bright belly colors, Osip Kling et al. 2021 showed they use more movement instead. Since the lizards I observed didn't have bright colors or patterns, they might rely more on subtle body movements to get noticed. One of the lizards I recorded actually fell off the wall. That moment reminded me how risky it is to stay visible, but also being seen might be important for claiming territory, especially when and if movement is the only signals that they use. This behavior connects to class concepts like animal communication, competition, and survival. Even if I didn't capture the full display, watching these lizards move and hold their position helped me understand why movements matter so much in their daily life. This research showed me that push-up displays are complex signals shaped by things like age, environment, and presence of other animals. It's interesting to learn more about how different species use similar signals, especially in places where color or sound isn't a strong option. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Citations are Martin E.P., Hughes and Martins, and Osip Kling et al.